Hey everyone, welcome back to a North Texas Weather Center forecast, and today what we're looking at is the potential for some severe storms overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. And there's going to be a chance for almost all of North Texas. This does include the chance for some damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour, hail up the size of quarters, and as well as a chance for a couple of tornadoes tonight. And that tornado threat should primarily be off to the northeast. I don't anticipate that to be much of a threat in DFW, but just make sure you're aware of that. Make sure you have a way to receive alerts, and make sure you have a way to have alerts through your via your mobile device or your weather radio. All right, let's kind of get into the radar right now because we do have some showers and storms out there already. You can see there's a couple of thunderstorms ongoing. There's one near Gainesville as of right now. Valley View's also getting a little storm going there. That says about 9:30, so that's what the live radar is now at 9:30 p.m. You can see there's a couple storms down here near Fort Worth as well as Keller, but the main area of storms that we'll watch tonight is actually going to develop back out here to the west. This will primarily be west of I-35. That's where it's going to develop, and this will move off to the east-northeast fairly quickly, and that will develop overnight tonight, probably after midnight. That's when the best chance of severe weather will be. There also could be a couple of isolated discrete cells that form out in front of it. You can see there's already a couple going into the slight risk region, which does include areas like Denton County, Collin County, as well as include Sherman, Greenville, as well as Paris and Mount Pleasant. Those areas are all included in that slight risk for severe storms. It really just means there's a slightly higher risk of maybe a tornado threat out of a discrete supercell, and as well as maybe a higher damaging wind and maybe a higher large hail threat. As these storms move off to the east-northeast tonight, that's will be something to monitor very closely. All right, let's jump into the future radar and let's kind of get a view of what we're looking at over the next several hours. Now, I've never done this before, so it might take a second. All right, there we go. All right, let's take a look at the future radar, and let me go ahead and move my face cam over down here, and let's go ahead and check out the time. So the timestamps at your top left, you'll be looking at the model time. So you can see this is around 1 in the morning. The primary area of storms that will start to develop is back out here to the west. It's not very pronounced on this future radar, but you can kind of get an idea of that yellow. Those will be your thunderstorms, and you can see that over the next several hours, these will move through the metroplex with the potential for maybe some severe weather with that. And this will all move out to the west and will be clear after about noontime or so. Most of us should be dried out by in the morning, but some of us might still be seeing a few storms in eastern DFW just after that. Now, there'll still be an area to watch fairly closely. This is about 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. You can see there's an area of snow that might even develop. Now, a lot of this will probably not reach the surface, but if it does, you might see a few snowflakes falling out of the sky, primarily closer to Wichita Falls, and you can see over the next several hours, this will move closer to the metroplex. It won't really enter DFW, but areas closer to the Red River might actually see this along Route 82 might see that, and that'll eventually all move off to the east and we'll clear out, and we'll be dry by Sunday. It will be very chilly Sunday. More on that in the morning forecast. Make sure to check that on our YouTube channel, and make sure you subscribe here to your YouTube channel as well. And this forecast is brought to you by Platinum Contracting as well as All Dents Repair.